Maganda bigat Idol Bernard. Dito yan, iti PCSO Lotto result, iti rabii. March 18, 2025, 9 p.m. draw. Para iti Ultra Lotto, 658. Winning combinations are 21, 52, 23, 11, 10, and 5. With a jackpot prize of 165,890,270.80. Awan nangabak. Better luck next time. Para iti Super Lotto 649 winning combinations. Number 13, number 10, number 2, number 40, number 29, and number 38. Jackpot prize of 32,428,638 pesos and 40 centavos. Awan nagasat nga nangabak. Para met iti Lotto 642, winning combinations are 19, 2, 21, 13, 16, and 22 with a jackpot prize of 100,890,109.20. Awan nangabak. Better luck next time, mga idol. Ken para mediti PCSO STL. March 18, 2025. First draw, 14-16. Second draw, 2-6. Ken last draw, idirabi 3-8. Congratulations, kadigiti na nga ba? Deta nga ro iti PCSO Lotto result tayo, March 18, 9 p.m. draw. Ken PCSO STL. Siya ni Idol Shanti Papi, Tatak Arame.